The Camco RhinoFLEX pre-attached transparent removable sewer hose stands out as a benchmark for durability, convenience, and reliability in the RV world. This resilient sewer hose kit is constructed from high-quality polyolefin reinforced with steel wire, making it tough enough to handle everyday RV demands while maintaining flexibility and superior leak resistance. The pre-attached bayonet fittings with 4 prongs provide a secure, tight connection that avoids waste spills, while the transparent elbow and removable 4-in-1 adapter ensure effortless compatibility with multiple sewer inlet types, offering peace of mind to RVers at any dump station. Storage caps are included for both ends to prevent messes and odors during transport. Users consistently praise the RhinoFLEX for its collapsible design, easy setup, and robust build, with many reporting years of consistent, leak-proof performance even with daily use and exposure to the elements. Pricing is competitive relative to similar models, offering excellent value for a premium product that many customers regard as essential from their very first RV purchase. Its reputation for being as easy to store as it is to operate makes routine tank emptying as simple and worry-free as possible, allowing RVers to focus more on adventure and less on maintenance. If you want a dependable, long-lasting sewer solution that simplifies one of RVing's least enjoyable chores, the Camco RhinoFLEX pre-attached transparent removable should be first on your list, and we share by links in description box.